work on this industry.
Ahabo cyanga cya burengero izuba aba ministry ya ICT banjurira bebembezo n'abakozi ba government entebe can say the business process outsourcing.
So the business outsourcing process is a concept whereby we are trying to make sure we can work with people right from the grassroots. But in so doing, we've developed the business, the policy, the processing policy. In this policy, we've tried to identify how can we give some people tax holidays.
Attend initiative nebayangeja kwayamba wa connecting companies ezili aheru ezili mu Africa ezili neighboring countries.
Entekateke ji egenderiro kuhanga imirimo kurenga emitwari 15 mu Uganda hamwe na heru yihanga okurugato kusyo mu mwaka wa 2030.
What's happening is we want to encourage companies ezili kutunga services ezili kuruga heru hand. At strategy na policy negonza discouraging that to now instead encourage these companies ezili kutunga services outside. Hiring companies as Uganda.
Okorengana na Ministry of ICT 2020 chimwe chonka funira imirimo abanyimyeto yitu kandi ko funira imirimo tino kubagita hamwe bakafominga companies ezige mu IT bamara kukorengana tugende tugambire ministry twaba isya abarukwetenisa funira imirimo kuruga burayi imirimo aba IT byakarimagezi tubakwetenga kufuna passport kushora basa kubikorera hamwe
and to rescue some of the household chores which they are not able to do when they go for work. So this really is a problem, and this ministry, we appeal to you, come down and go down to the people who really need to understand the basics of science and technology.
Okurugera kitongoreki entekateke gene kwanje rwishengero ryihanga okugira ngo base kwinguzubwa rere minyeto tunjemirimo omugandi abaturo mu Rwampara bashobora kwejumbira mirimo yo korese mikono okushabo kwirwe ubwo abatura babujaga ward babiri nibatende ko kore ibintu nka sabuni amajuta enkito ebitabo hamwe nebindi
abantu abuko barebera hano bambenda kasente kugura materials yene bakatukora kugira kitkwenda. So wabahereza capital ukabarondera nakatari nangwa na capital niyo yakuberinje konke chamani iki nakatari kebintu byito bituza kore
nimwe mukumanya entase yekecero kumanya sobwiro bwinji abo bomushija kakucero mukasheshe yimuka yazo mu matafari yaza arguto kuza kupaka semero muyone yakora aba office bazamo hatitwe waguma mukawano ukora nko bugiga bwawo rwakatano wabuto mukatari tukabara kwiya musende
okutendeko ko myemyoga nuko yemberwa abakoche initiative abari kushajuko munyishengero wa Rwampara county Amuskankunda
bwena makuru gacho ni mwe nanimba kiga otine materials norewa Mr. Agu
boda
na jezaho nakusindikira materials za motoka okumwe bukwasire kona nukokwe notandika no koreta byo bana bawe utakaho murkiso rwo kubanza n'itwaride kikancheta by'abana bono wabikozire byo nanobiheze
honore bombo sinagambe nkoransia mutakagira ngo harendizo ejo niyo koraki nsya
abatendekirwa barekero kusima kandi barumu n'abana b'amashomero batandikire kwekorera ibitabo baratwara hishomero babana bahumuraka
iziraha na yege bitabo mbenye ndebitabo 15 kandi namasiko nyimba kubwiye ko ranyo mwana umwe shopping ebene mpenda munonga especially abitabo because nibakosa counter books mukanyo shomere ebitabo na biteko mutwe like nkanyechiro nyonguzire materials na kore bitabo mushanje so shopping tempenze
nda Aidan Bataringaya.